I want to play outside.
Okay, but the sky looks cloudy.
Rain! Rain!
Uh-oh, that's not good.
I still want to play. Me too!
I told you! Now look what happened.
Wait, puddles are fun. Look, big puddle.
Let's splash it!
They're actually having fun. Kids turn disasters into games. All right, my darlings, bath time. All that fun in the mud has consequences.
See? Bath time isn't scary.
It's the best after a muddy day. Rainy days can be fun if you make them fun.